And this, hold up. This is what it looks like. This is what my hair looks like fresh out the shower. So, you see, I gotta part it, but that's really all I have to do. I had oil in it and something else in it before I washed it, so I'm gonna just let it get some air, you know. But just, this is really the biggest maintenance I have to do, is after the shower, just part it. I don't really do too much else, and it really does the rest on its own. Damn. Ooh. Have you ever thought about like locks pretty much being like just extended mag naps? Have you ever thought about it like that? Like your hair gets tangled, it knots, it mats, it locks up, dreads up, or dreadlocks. You know, some people, they be saying you're damn dreadlocks, but oh shit, I just ripped something. It's all good. But this is really the worst part about it, is after you shower, you have to do this shit. But back to what I was saying. If you think about it, they're really just extended naps. You know, like locks and dreads and stuff. They're really just extended mags of nappy hair. If you think about it, you let your shit lock up, course up, tangle up, and it grows. And they can grow to extreme heights too. But this is really the most I have to do. Yeah, man, it looks good. And I'm so out of shape right now too. But my hair in shape though. But yeah, man. Lock tour coming soon. This is basically what happens to your hair when you stop brushing it for a year. And when you have 4B, 4C hair, and it's wanted to lock for years, this is what you get when you leave it alone and you let it do its thing. So it's been almost a year, and I stopped brushing my hair out, and you can see what my coils turn into. Like, for example, you see, what the fuck is that? Oh, this is the twist I did. When you let your hair finally do what it wants to do, and you have super kinky, coily, curly hair. See, like for example, this one hasn't really locked all the way, but you can see it literally just starts from a curl, and then they develop. I mean, I can't speak for everybody, but I know, you know, with my hair, my stuff's been wanting to lock for a minute. Like, you know, some of them are mature, some of them are not, but, you know, you can see. Like, for example, like you see, these are really just, they're just curls, but then they start to bud at the end, and then they start to lock. And then I could even take this and just roll it like that. See what I mean? Like, yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, when it hits a year, later this month, I do a lock tour. So stay tuned for that if you're into that. And if you have any questions or anything you want to know or ask, or for me to make a video about, let me know. Damn. I don't know why the front of my hair always gets so dry. But yeah, let me know. What?
Mwah.